This is Donald Frost again, out here with Forever Windows in Hickory, North Carolina, doing Mr. and Mrs. Griffin's house. We're giving them an entire home makeover. All new windows, all new siding, all rotten wood taken care of. We're going to give them a brand new house on the same spot. And I want to talk a little bit about painting a home. We actually do vinyl siding. What a lot of people say is, well, painting's a lot cheaper. Well, it's cheaper because companies all over the place, what they do is they actually pressure wash the house and paint right over it. But when you pressure wash the house, it doesn't take off all the paint the right way. And number two, it puts water into the grain of the wood and it doesn't really soak up the paint like it should. So the proper way to paint a home is to scrape all the paint down to the bare wood, then prime and paint at the right temperature. We actually can cover all this with vinyl siding and you never have to worry about it again. It's like putting a raincoat on the entire house. It's a little bit of advice about options. A lot of people, when they have a house like this that needs windows and needs siding, which we are doing, by the way, there's a lot of decisions to make, a lot of choices to make. You want to know, how much do I want to spend? What kind of warranty will I get? What kind of options will there be? What kind of colors do they have? All these decisions are tough decisions, and we understand that. But with Forever Windows, what we like to tell people all the time is, if you choose the right company to start with, all of those options are great for you. You're going to get a good price with a good warranty with all the options you want. And it's going to have great installation too. But all of that happens if you choose the right company to start with. One of the things that people have to worry about or consider is the crew that's doing the work. A lot of companies, they sell you a job, windows, siding, whatever, and then what they do is they subcontract the work out to people they don't even know. With Forever Windows, we use our own people. In fact, our production manager still installs windows for us all the time. So he actually understands job quality and control and the whole 9 yards. And now we're done. This house up here in Hickory, North Carolina, entirely finished. Tons of rotten wood was removed and replaced before we did anything. We put all new siding, all new soffits, all new windows around the entire house. We basically gave them a brand new home at the same location. If you would like to give your home an entire makeover like this one here, and here's the before pictures, please give us a call. We'd love to have an opportunity to give you a free estimate. Our estimates are good for a solid year. We'd love to earn your business.